Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to create and remove user accounts on this laptop. First, let's open the Start menu and go to Settings, then select Accounts on the list, and then scroll down and select Other users. Let's find it right here, and then to add another user account, click Add Account right here. And then if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, then in the following window you'll have to input their email address, then their password, and once you input their password you'll have to set up a PIN code for their account, and then you'll be done. But if you don't want to add this account using their remote Microsoft account, you can add an account locally using this button right here, and then wait until it loads another page, and then add a user without Microsoft account. This way you can add a user locally. So let's do this real quick. First we'll have to name their account, so I'm gonna name it user2, and then make a PIN code for them, for their account. And to secure their PIN code, you'll have to set up a couple of security questions and then answer them. And I suggest that you write down the answers to all of these questions in case you forget the PIN code, so that you can restore the access. So, okay, let's answer the questions. Okay, so once you answer them, write down the answers and click Next. And once you click Next, the account will be created. Now, if you want to switch to this account, you'll have to press Windows button or Start button, click on your account logo, click on three-dot icon in the top right corner, and switch to their account right here. And once you click here, you'll have to input their PIN code or password, and then you'll be logged into their account. Now, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna return to my account and show you how to remove their account. But first of all, if you logged into their account, make sure that you log out of it before removing an account, because otherwise you won't be able to do this until you sign out of their account. So once you're signed out of their account, click Remove right here and click Delete Account Data. And this way you'll remove their account. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.